The water has so much debris, pollen, and oil in it that it's really hard to see anything. So you've got a few pictures of tadpoles of different sizes running around at the very shorelines of Ridgeside Lake. The green heron decided to try to hide when I walked up and jumped into the bush nearby. It didn't hide very well, so I got some pictures. And then I moved around and got pictures from a slightly different angles. And then it flew off, flew across the pond, landed on the turtle log, and I got some better pictures there and stayed watching it until it flew off again. Blue jays rarely pose long enough to get a picture, so I took one today. One of the numerous rabbits in the burial ground. Found these two guys in the streets. They must have fallen out, the nest blew off or something. Anyways, I'm trying to figure out what they are. I'm thinking that they're probably blue jays just from the colors of the feathers and the way the coloration on the body works. Who knows?